Hello everyone, you're Reshmi from Your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always, and my special thanks to all of you for watching and sharing our video. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy handloom sarees collections only for you. So let me display. These are very nice and elegant color combinations, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton fabric with beautiful weaving border design, contrast color border, and this one is full base part all over silver zari weaving buta work linen cotton fabric. This one full base part. This one is pallu portions highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is border portions contrast color fine weaving design work border, and this one full base part very fresh and elegant color combination. This one is full base contrast border, and this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. This one very beautiful printed one, premium quality pure handloom fine linen by linen with beautiful printed one all over base, very smart looks, best for your office wear, professional wear, very smart one. This one full base part premium quality pure handloom fine linen by linen with beautiful smart printed all over base silver zari border and smart looks printed, and this one is pallu portion silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part very trendy and fashionable looks. This one is full base silver zari border and all over printed one, and I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. And this one also very nice color combinations, handloom cotton slab material silver zari border all over hand batik printed one, and very fresh color combinations best for your office wear smart looks. This one is full base part contrast color border all over batik printed one, handloom cotton slab material, and this one pallu portion silver zari stripes pattern pallu with batik printed all over base hand batik printed one, and this one full base part all over batik printed, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is full base, this one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright looks. Very beautiful and bright looks, handloom cotton silk material all over feather like stripes design, very bright one. This one full base part cotton silk material feather weaving stripes design, and this one is pallu portions beautiful contrast color highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part same stripes design and fully fine feather like weaving stripes design highlighted, very trendy and smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and bright looks. And this one also very trendy and fashionable looks, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base contrast fine weaving border design. This one full base part, this portion is border portions fully contrast color with fine temple pattern weaving design work border all over base, and this one is pallu portions contrast color highlighted pallu and full base part. This one is full base part, and this portion is border temple pattern weaving design work border, and this one is full base, and this one running blouse piece, very trendy and elegant looks, and I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart daily looks. And this one also very nice one khadi cotton silk material and contrast color checks pattern design work soft one smart looks. This one is full base part all over multi color checks design contrast color border, and very soft one lightweight based for your daily wear. This one is pallu end, and this one full base part, very elegant and fresh looks all over checks design, and I will suggest this silk material contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and smart daily looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, sequin design, khadi cotton base, contrast red 1-inch highlighted border, all over sequin stitch design. This one full base part, beautiful smart look, sequin stitch design. And this one is pallu portions, fully contrast color stripes with sequin design, stitch design work pallu. And this one is full base part, very bright and fresh looks. This one is full base sequin design all over. This one is running blouse piece, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full piece, very soft one, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy embroidery mirror work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and fashionable looks. Very beautiful and smart looks, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material, hand weaving jamdani buta design, contrast color border. And this one is full base part, very bright and fresh looks, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material, contrast color highlighted border, all over buta design, very nice and fresh looks, jamdani buta. And this one pallu portions, contrast color stripes with beautiful jamdani buta design work pallu. And this one is full base part, very bright and fresh looks, all over buta design. This one is border, contrast color border, and this one is running blouse piece, very elegant and fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric batik printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable looks. And this one also very beautiful one, smart looks, premium quality pure handloom matka muslin jamdani. This one is upper base part, half. This portion is muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is smart looks, bright one, fully hand weaving jamdani design work. And this portion is matka base, splits, half portion is matka, half portion is muslin. And this one is running blouse piece, this portion is split portion matka, and this one is upper base part muslin transparent. And this one pallu end, very nice and bright looks. This one is pallu end, matka and muslin stripes design work pallu. And this one is upper base part transparent with hand weaving jamdani work. And this one full base part, very elegant and smart bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and fresh looks. And this one also very trendy one, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material, contrast color border, and all over fine gicha weaving polka design. This one full base part, this portion is border portions, gicha weaving temple design, contrast color border, and all over weaving polka design, gicha weaving polka, very trendy and fashionable elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, gicha stripes work pallu. This one is pallu portions, and this one is border portions, contrast half-inch highlighted zari border with temple weaving border design, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart bright looks. And this one also very beautiful one, art silk, pure Rajasthani bandis with fine weaving work all over base, art silk material. And this one full base part, very bright looks, based for your gift purpose also. This one is golden zari weaving work border and all over, and base part is pure Rajasthani bandis print. And this one pallu portions, heavy golden zari weaving work with bandis printed. And this one is full base part, art silk with pure Rajasthani bandage with heavy work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your gorgeous looks. And this one also same material, art silk material with pure Rajasthani bandis print all over, weaving buta work, border also weaving one. And this one full base part, pure Rajasthani bandis print, art silk weaving border design all over, buta work, very bright looks. And this one full base part, bottle green shade bandis print pure. And this one is pallu portions highlighted zari stripes with buta work, pallu and all over buta design and Banarasi work border. And I will suggest this one, you know, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your gorgeous and bright looks. In a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk material, contrast color border, very soft one, elegant looks all over, hand weaving buta design, very trendy and fashionable looks. This one is border portions, contrast color border all over, fine hand weaving buta design all over base, very nice looks, you know. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, fully contrast color with fine heavy weaving design work, pallu and fully hand weaving design. And this one is border portions and all over base, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. And this one in a very beautiful color combinations, premium quality pure handloom, fine lane by lane, silver zari checks all over base, silver zari border all over, Badhini buta printed one, Sivori dye with Badhini buta printed, very elegant and fresh looks, premium quality pure handloom, fine lane by lane with all over buta printed one. And this one, you know, full base part, very elegant and fresh looks, nice color combinations all over. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, full base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright and smart looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And this one also, you know, very nice looks, purple shade and cutwork design, very bright one, you know, premium quality pure handloom, fine lane by lane, and checks design all over, checks with mirror, artificial mirror embroidery with cutwork design. This one is full base part, and this one, you know, pallu portions, beautiful cutwork design, fully hand design, cutwork mirror design, artificial mirror. And this one, you know, full base part, very fresh looks, premium quality pure handloom, fine lane by lane checks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and fashionable looks. And this one also, you know, very beautiful one, nice color combinations, premium quality pure handloom, semi organza base with golden zari border all over, Sivori printed one. This one, you know, full base part all over Sivori printed. And this one is pallu portions with fine weaving design work, full pallu. This one is pallu, and this one is full base part, beautiful color combination, Sivori printed one. This one is all over base, golden zari border and soft one, smart looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, full base part, very lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also, you know, very beautiful one, Dupian silk cotton material, bright color combinations and all over checks design with fine weaving buta work, very smart looks, mixed material, Dupian silk cotton material all over checks design with fine weaving buta work. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very smart and bright looks. This one is full base, and this one, you know, running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. Very beautiful and bright looks, bright red shade all over checks design, contrast color pallu all over, fine weaving buta work, very bright and fresh looks, same material, Dupian silk cotton mixed material all over, contrast color checks with buta work, very bright looks. And this one, you know, pallu portions, fully contrast color patch pallu, and this one is full base part and bright and gorgeous looks all over checks with buta work. And this one is running blouse piece, very beautiful color. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also, same material, Dopian silk cotton mixed material, all over contrast checks with butta work, very bright and fresh color combinations. This one is full base part, trendy looks. This one is full base contrast color checks with weaving butta work, and this one is pallu portions, fully white patch pallu contrast color, and this one full base part, very trendy and fashionable, smart and bright look. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.ricepassions.com. all the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have developed a beautiful saree, very bright color combinations, purple shade, premium quality, pure handloom cotton slab material, hand batik printed one, all over base, silver zari border, all over batik printed one with beautiful mirror design, fully designer piece, very nice looks, all over mirror design work, mirror embroidery. And this one pallu portion, fully batik printed one with beautiful design work, mirror embroidery work, very bright and fresh looks, and very soft, lightweight, beautiful saree and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.